Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004 of 44. In the search box, enter troubleshoot. Open troubleshoot other problems. There, click on Run located in the option Network and Internet. A new window will open where you can see the cause of the error directly associated with the network. Based on the error, you are offered some solutions for its correction. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.